everyone, I hope you're doing great. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the ruffle part, the strands, and how to join the squares together. To join two squares together, use a different color of yarn, attach it to the hook by a slip knot. Now take the pieces you want to join, situate them so the back sides of both of them are facing each other, and line up the edges. As you can see here, we have these little V's that has two loops, the front and the back loop, and finding each loop can be a little bit confusing, but always remember, the back loop is the closest one to the back side of the square, so these ones must be the back loops. As for the upper square, these loops are the back loops. And all we want to do is join these back loops together. So take your yarn, insert it into the back loop of the bottom square, this one, up into the back loop of the upper one, yarn over, and pull through the 3 loops you will be having at the end. Here's 1, 2, and the 3rd loop. Again, insert your hook into the back loop of the bottom square, up into the back loop of the upper square, yarn over, and pull through the 3 loops you have on the hook. This is what we call the flat slip stitch seam. You just have to repeat the same thing till the end, and now I'm just gonna let you follow along with me. This is what it should look like. Now, to join the rest of the squares, whether at the top or on the sides, you will do the exact same thing. Just flip the square, back sides facing each other, and do the flat slip stitch seam. Now we're going to make the ruffle part. First, insert your hook into the first flat slip stitch seam, this one. Pull up a loop, pull it through, and chain 3 considered as the first double crochet. Now into the same stitch, make 2 double crochets together. Here's the first one. Into the same space, the second one. So we have 3 double crochets in total. Into the next stitch, make 3 double crochets together. 1, 2, and 3. Again, into the next stitch, make 3 double crochets and repeat the same pattern till the end. And here's the final result. Now we're going to make the strands. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Next, yarn over, into the second chain from the hook, pull up a loop and pull it through, yarn over and pull through the 3 loops on the hook. That's a half double crochet. Into the next chain, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook, and do the same thing till the end. And here's the last half double crochet. You should have 6 half double crochets in total. Next, chain 1, flip your work over, yarn over and insert your hook into the back loop, this one. Yarn over into the back loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the loops. That's a half double crochet back loop only. Do the same thing into the back loop only, make a half double crochet. And chain 1, flip your work over and do the exact same pattern. 1 half double crochet back loop only into each and every stitch. You will keep on making rows until you reach the length you want. For the sake of simplicity in this video, I'm just going to use the short strand to show you the rest of the steps. Now take the other color, insert it with a slip stitch into the first row. This one, right here. Pull up a loop and pull it through. Next, chain 3. Now you will want to make a slip stitch into the second loop on the next row. This is the first loop. And here is the second loop. So pull up a loop and pull it through the loop as well as the loop on the hook. Again, chain 3. And make a slip stitch into the second loop on the row. For the third time, a slip stitch into the next row. Now chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and do the same. Insert your hook into the second loop, right here. This is the first one, and make a slip stitch. Again, chain 3, and repeat the same thing. To join the strands to the squares, just go through the back of the stitches and make a slip stitch into each of them.